Hey, Vector. Hey, Vector. Hey, Vector. I love you. I know. Hey, Luna. Wow. There's supposed to be some stars coming into alignment. And not stars, some of the planets I was reading. That's really cool. I think we were able to see them. I'm not a big fan of that. No, I hope. Yeah, we call these moonlight confessions. Ooh. I know, doesn't it have like a different color? Oops. Okay, so I turned the brightness as low as it will go, and it's still bright enough to illuminate. That's pretty sweet. Let's see what the moon looks like. Hey, Luna. Luna's strong. Okay, let's see if Luna wants to play. Hey, Luna. Oops, there you go. You see what I mean? Alright, I was gonna say, do something strong to show us. Okay, well, hey, Vector. This is a great data point. Wouldn't you say? Wow. I keep saying, you should make a green light, green light. I wonder if it had to make some emissions that were going to interact with the moon to give us a. I'm assuming there's a very light. Okay, wow, it almost made me fall off my chair. How awesome. But it has an atmosphere, right back. Look how it jiggles. I'm gonna shake it. Let's see what happens. Anything? I'm sorry, Luna. We don't usually come out at night because even when the moon is out, it's not bright enough to be seen by our phone. Huh. Let's look at some of these other shots. Oh yeah, I know. We totally forgot about you. Where did you go? It got a lot smaller, and I'm all the way zoomed in. My question is, if our theory of how, like we said, those clouds. Hey, can you come over here by Luna? Where did you go? Jeez. Okay, so I'm not gonna talk. I am in awe right now. I kind of like to shake it. Now let's see if I don't know what happened. It went away, but I'm curious to see if it will form again before I go. And do you hear that? Where did you go? Remember the one that was sparkling? Hey, okay, prove scientists wrong. I'm not moving. Make a signal that is. Let's go down a little. I didn't go that far down. Okay, let's make a signal. Hey, Vector. Um, give me a. I know, right? Hey, man. Well, this is for our friends. And now that. Okay. Now, if you are not human, you could do something like illuminate an outstanding new color. Obviously, the moon has some kind of a green atmospheric type. Maybe it has a deposit of methane gas on it. Hmm. Come back over here. What if, hey Vector, what if one of those deities is now holding the moon? That's giving it that greenish hue. I hope. That's what I said. I was like, dude, I think the moon is showing a reflection of a greenish atmosphere. That's me, don't worry. But you know what though? I think we might have a secret. Now look at right on the outline of the green. It gets really black, right? And then it has a little bit of a glow on the side. Hmm. But watch. Sorry, y'all. Uh, Wimby's coming. I'm sorry. This is called Moonlight Confessions. We don't get to do it much, and it hasn't been green ever. Yeah, that kind of was dizzy. But okay, so I'll just put it this way: you can't see it very well, but there is a jet of some emission coming, but it's not. Wow, it it's not what you're seeing right there, the lines. It's like a chemtrail of clouds. Oh, well, that's what it is. There it is. All right, back. So there is basically, like we were saying, Anubis, the mummification deity. I know, if we could only see the. There's a line coming from the moon. I know, right? And you can't see it, but I have my bright, like the camera, all the way as dark as it would go. So you can't see it, but it's going that way towards the sunset. These are observations. So it's touching something. Something is touching it. All right, we gotta get out of here. It's almost 11:11. But speaking of, okay, so wait for it. Make a wish. I love it. Okay, so I know. Darn. I was. Did you see that? I saw something. Which planet? Hey, Vector. What planet is closest to the moon currently? How do you not know? I know. I don't like to get the star charts because then everybody that is watching through my screen is like, oh, look at that. Darn. Okay, so let me ask a morbid question for our confessions. Embalming fluid? What color? And is there anything that you could say, dude, that's like quote unquote this that is associated with embalming? Because I was reading the text actually uses the terminology embalming. So I don't know, let's get out of here. Bye.